Yeah.
What's up, my PlayStation Vita follower? It's me, PS Vita King. Today another unboxing of a video, but first make sure to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel because I'm PS Vita King. Also support me on Patreon, not only then make sure to check out my PS Vita t-shirt. If you wanna support me, you can buy more stuff from my affiliate link. Do it, please. Okay, now get back to the unboxing. I ordered a parcel from Amazon, so it took me a week to reach here in South Korea. Yes, next month I am going back to Hong Kong and then on my business trip to Africa, Rwanda. So let me do the unboxing. Okay, here we go. So please let me know in the comment section below which PlayStation Vita game are you playing these days and which PlayStation Vita game are you looking to buy. I'm thinking to start a giveaway. Also make sure to let me know which PlayStation Vita game you are willing to buy. If I see like at least 10 people are talking about the same PlayStation Vita game, maybe I can do a giveaway on that. First you need to subscribe. Also make sure to subscribe to my PlayStation Vita channel. Here it is. Here really it is. I'm surprised. I am surprised. So now here it is. I pay like total around 128 bucks on Amazon for this total package. Now let me show you. First, here is the PlayStation TV. In Asia it's called PS Vita TV or the PlayStation Vita TV. In rest of the world, Europe, America and the PAL region is called just PlayStation TV. I think I like the PlayStation Vita TV more, but anyways, so this is just the normal one. Lego Movie. There are two kind of bundle. One come with two games, that's like Cooper Thieves in Time. So this game only come with the Lego. I will be also picking up a physical copy. Personally, I really like the Lego Movie. I have watched like all 4 times. I mean, first I have watched while I was traveling, second time with my wife, third and fourth time again. I mean, some kids come to my home again, I watch with them. Personally, the fourth time I watch again like few days ago. I really like the movie a lot. So here it the package. Let me show you from back. I'm really very happy for the package. The box is a little bit, I hope so the box is not open. If the box is open, I'm going to open a dispute. So yeah, let me put this one aside, and then now for the another 3 games. Lego Avengers, Marvel Avengers. I have playing this day the Disney Infinity, the Marvel one, but the problem is that there is like too long loading. I mean, the loading time can even take up to like 5 minutes. I like this game a lot. It's a sandbox game. This is the biggest open world game you can get on a Vita, but loadings are horrible. So I said, why not pick up this one? This is the closest thing you can get on PlayStation Vita to GTA. Yes, even I will be saying that. According to what I have read, what I have talked to people and other YouTuber and my subscriber, they all told me this game is even more fun than the GTA Liberty City and then a Vice City story on PSP. So I'm really very happy that I'm finally getting a GTA type game. In easy way you can say GTA clone, but I like to say like a GTA type game. If you don't know, the GTA 3 was a clone of the driver from PlayStation 1. Anyways, so here you can see from back, I'm really very happy, to be honest with you. So now another game, Batman. I'm a huge fan of Batman, to be honest with you. I'm really very a huge fan of Batman. Let me show you my mug. Can you see my mug? I'm a huge fan of Batman. I pay this one, I think, I don't know, 20 bucks, but this mug is very bad quality. It's breaking from here just after using like two times. It's going to easily break. Can you see? I pay like 20 bucks, the worst quality mug ever. And can you see my PlayStation Vita lanyard? I'm really a huge fan of Batman. Personally, I don't like the modern Batman games. My favorite Batman games of all time is simple. It's Batman Begins. I really like that game a lot. That game is the best Batman game ever. But I played the Batman Arkham Asylum, Batman Origin. I personally didn't enjoy it due to the nature of that game. That game is like not open world. Finally, Batman Arkham Knight is like the best open world Batman game you can get. I just pay like 14 bucks, brand new from Amazon.com. There was a price drop. You can even play remote play. I'm not a big fan of remote play because the problem with remote play is the graphics are really very downgrade when you're streaming. I will be also doing a remote play test. Okay, Batman is a good game. Up to right now, I have no opinion how good game is going to be, but I heard this is a good game. And SpongeBob SquarePants. The problem with reviewer gamers is that they try to, they think Batman is like a super hardcore game and this one is for kids. You know what? Every gamer is a kid. It doesn't matter how old are you 45, 55, 65. It doesn't matter. This game is like 3 to 4 hour long. Even if the game is 3 to 4 hour long, it's much better. The game is short, but at least I can have some fun in it. I'm a huge fan of SpongeBob, and nearly every game I played, I started playing with a bikini, bought on my PlayStation 2 and then jump into the Xbox 361. I heard a lot of bad thing about this game, but I am not going to believe a single on them. Why? Because I'm a huge fan. Listen one thing, my PlayStation Vita lover, fan, follower, whatever you wanna call yourself. If you like something, please do not watch a single review. Just pick up the game. Pick up the damn game. Do not listen to anyone. It's simple. It's nothing hard. It's very simple. Pick up the damn game. So this is what I bought. Make sure to subscribe. Also, again, make sure to support me on the Patreon. Also, make sure to let me know in this unboxing which stuff you like most, which stuff you wanna buy, or which stuff should I give away. Most probably I'm not going to give away a single stuff on this one. When I like to do a giveaway, I buy personally, just for giveaway. So normally these games are just for my personal use. They are like, currently I'm working on a lot of gameplay. Can you see huge chunk of, I need to make a gameplay video and then review. My current collection of PlayStation Vita games are like about 35 games. I'm really very happy. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs down. Do whatever you wanna do, because it's me, PS Vita King. Bye.